5 easy and yummy dessert recipes. These recipes are simple and fun to make at home. Let's dive into 5 tasty treats. Recipe 1, rock sugar cucumber cake. Ingredients: 1 large cucumber, 150 grams of sugar, 40 grams of cornstarch, coconut flour for coating. Instructions: 1. Peel and cut the cucumber into small pieces. Blend with water until smooth. 2. Strain the mixture to extract 150 grams of juice. 3. In a saucepan, combine juice, sugar, and cornstarch. Stir over low heat until thickened. 4. Pour into a mold and refrigerate for 2 hours. 5. Demold. Cut into pieces and roll in coconut flour. Enjoy. Recipe 2, purple potato cold cake. Ingredients: 500 grams of purple potatoes, 500 ml of milk, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of white jelly. Instructions: 1. Steam and mash the purple potatoes until smooth. 2. Mix the puree and milk in a pot. 3. Stir in sugar and jelly, heating until thickened. 4. Pour into a mold and let cool at room temperature. 5. Cut into pieces and serve chilled. Enjoy! Recipe 3, sweet apple treats. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 apple diced, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, black sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: 1. Combine apple, egg, sugar, and cornstarch in a bowl. Garnish with sesame seeds. 2. Bake at 180 Celsius for 12 minutes or cook till golden brown. A soft and sweet treat awaits. Recipe 4, watermelon mochi. Ingredients: 150 grams glutinous rice flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 50 grams cornstarch, 20 grams cooking oil, 350 grams fresh watermelon juice. Instructions: 1. Blend and strain the watermelon for juice. 2. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until smooth. 3. Pour into a non-stick pan over low heat, stirring until thickened. 4. Sprinkle rice flour on a surface and knead the dough into strips. Enjoy your delicious watermelon mochi. Recipe 5, chocolate waffles. Ingredients: 150 grams flour, 15 grams cocoa powder, 3 grams yeast, 15 grams butter, 1 egg, 30 grams sugar, 75 grams milk. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix eggs, flour, sugar, butter with milk. Knead to form a smooth batter, cover and set aside for 15 minutes. 3. Knead well and shape to small balls. 4. Put 1 small ball into a preheated waffle maker and bake until brown on both sides. 5. Allow to cool before serving. Happy cooking! Enjoy your yummy treats!